Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Elite Exotic Essentials. How you doing? The video that I'm doing today is channel recommendations. And we're going to be dealing with animation channels. And here are some of my favorite channels I like to watch. So first we have Young Don the Sauce. God. He's a black YouTuber telling his experience growing up in Kingston, Jamaica, and moving to America and adjusting to life and having moments of introspection and awareness to learn and become a better person. Also, he's really funny. Then you have the Odd Ones Out. Obviously not part of any minority groups, but a interesting person nonetheless. Somewhat interesting. Talking about his life growing up like in school and dealing with being a YouTuber and using sprinkles to celebrate his subscribers and followers. And then you have Let Me Explain Studios Rebecca Parham. I did a video on her on the Do It Yourself series. I'll probably link that in the description. An entertaining YouTuber that's been around for a while and captivating people with her singing and weird incidents. Oh yeah. And finally, you have Domix. Similar to Young Don, in a way that they both move from country to country and have moments of introspection. But with Domix, his moments are focused on a certain topic, and he gives people his own advice. He gives people advice on it, and he relate his own experience dealing with that topic. Yep. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. We give thanks. Bye.